Yeah, what's up everyone? Trust you guys are doing. Welcome back to the channel. This is about you tech. If you're a news viewer, do it to like and subscribe. I drop video here every week. Very exciting video that will help you how to start your keyboard journey. Okay, so if this is really what interests you, do it to like and subscribe to this channel as I drop video every week. Okay, thank you so much. So today what we have for us is we'll be looking at how to find keys. I've noticed a lot of beginners have this kind of issue. People will sing, you'll be busy playing offline key. Everything will not be going separate. So it's very important you know how to find keys of song, okay? It's a very simple process. You just need to understand the way it works. So irrespective of the kind of keyboard you're using, all you need to understand is just check that keyboard. You see a place, if it is an advanced keyboard, they will write transpose. If there is no transpose there, if you are using something like montage and the rest, you see shift octave, just press it down, you'll be able to choose your what is it called, the transpose. But for this kind of keyboard, you see it in your function. So if your keyboard have function, that means it will be in your function. So let's tap our function. We'll just keep pressing it till you get to transpose. For some keyboard you just see transpose straight, okay? For this one you have to scroll to transpose, okay? Now this is my transpose, okay? Now that intro I played earlier is something I just worked on, okay? Now okay, let me off this my sustain so that we can get what we want to do very well, okay? Okay, now the sustain is done now, okay? Now whenever anybody is singing, one thing you have to understand is the root note. The root note of that person, that is the main thing there, okay? Now I'm currently on C now. If someone to say, hey, my God is good, oh, and you are busy playing this, hey, my God is, you can say it's not going at all. It will never go. It's not possible because the person is going offline. You, instead of you going to go and meet that person, you are going offside too, okay? So hey, my God is good, do 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 do. So you have to understand the root note of that person. So the person is saying, hey, my God is good, do do. So that is what you mime in your mind. You'll be like, do. So you don't start. The key you want to play it is C, Abby. So you don't say, my God is good, do do. That is do. You now start pressing it one by one till you see the notes that sound exactly like that key. My God is good, do 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 do. You can say this one is exactly, my God is good, do do. So this is the key now. Now since I'm playing on C, now this is where we are going. You now start counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So that means I will press +9, okay? So if the person is now singing, hey, my God is good, now it will go. You guys will not work against each other now. Now remember the key was here, Abby. Now let's say you want to, instead of saying +9, you may decide to minus it. All you just have to do is, this is the key, Abby, and you want to play it here, so just count it backward, 1 2 3. So do -3, it will still sound the same. Hey, my God is good. It will still give you the same thing, okay? Now let's go for another example. Now remember the keys here. Now let's say you are the type that play F. You play F and the key is here. Now from your F, all you have to do is just count 1 2 3 4. That is just +4. You understand now? So it's unlike the person that is playing for C, which is 9. Your own is here, so your own is close by 1 2 3 4. So that is why we did +4 there, okay? Now let's now say the key is T here now, and you are playing F sharp. You are playing F sharp, okay? The key is here, so it's very simple. Just count 1 2 3. So it will just be 3 for you. Okay, let me go to C sharp now, for example. If I'm playing on C sharp, if this is my C sharp now, and the keys here, that will just simply be from here. You start 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so that will just be +8. okay, so that is just how to find the key of any song. It's very simple, like ABC. Okay, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Remember, whenever anybody is singing and you're not so sure of the key, wait a few seconds, mime the key in your mind. And also for some of you that if you want to check the key, you will not be doing drop your volume a bit. Okay, once you drop the volume, then press it stylishly. When you are sure of the key, that is when you should increase your volume. Okay, please, let's be professional in this. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video. Remember, if you have any question, I will definitely attend to it. See you guys in the next video. If you have any video you want me to work on, maybe there is any song you have in your mind, you want a good tutorial about it, but you don't understand it, no problem, drop it in the comment section. I will definitely do a video on it. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.